In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dynamic pie chart in Capcut. Open Capcut on your phone or desktop and start a new project. Tap New Project, then add your background video or image. A clean, high contrast background makes the chart easier to read, but any clip or still works. Place it on the timeline and trim or resize as needed so you have the canvas ready for your graphic. Next, let's set up the labels you'll use on the chart. Tap text, then add text. Type your percentage labels, for example, 40%, 30%, 20%, and 10%. Style them with a readable font and a color that contrasts with the background. Position these labels around the screen roughly where each slice will sit. You can always nudge them later, but getting them close now saves time. Now add the actual pie chart elements. You have two easy approaches. If you want a quick start, go to Stickers or Elements and search for pie chart, circle chart, or infographic. Browse the options, pick a graphic that matches your style, and add it to the timeline. Resize and center it so it becomes the focal point, and make sure it lines up visually with your labels. If you'd rather build it yourself, create the chart manually. Add circle shapes in different colors for your slices. Use crop or masking tools to carve each circle into the correct slice shape, then rotate the slices to complete the chart. Take a moment to align edges and keep the center consistent so the result looks clean and intentional. Let's make it dynamic. Select the chart layer and tap Animation. Choose an effect like Pop Up, Spin, Fade In, or Scale Up to bring the chart to life. Adjust the animation duration for smoother motion. Shorter durations feel snappier, while slightly longer ones feel more polished. Preview and fine-tune until the timing feels right. Animate the percentage labels so they support the motion of the chart. Tap each text percentage and add keyframes to animate movement or scaling. A gentle scale up or slide in works well. If you're using music, try syncing these text animations to the beats so everything lands together and feels cohesive. To complete the edit, add background music, tap audio, and pick a trending or cinematic track that fits your tone. This adds energy and helps the animations feel purposeful. When you're happy with the result, export your video. Tap Export and choose your settings, 1080p or 4K, and 30 FPS or 60 FPS. Higher resolution and frame rate will look smoother and sharper. Finally, save the video to your device and you're done. Enjoy your dynamic pie chart made in Capcut.